Okay, so you have your answers?
Yeah.
Let me see. Quiet hands. Dennis, what do you think the book is going to be about?
A bunny.
A bunny? What about the bunny?
Be happy.
The way the bunny what?
Hop. Move.
Dennis, the way the bunny what?
Move.
Because what's the title of our story?
Hop.
Move. So what kind of movement does the bunny make?
Hop.
What kind of movement?
Move.
Hop. He hops. Hopping is a movement. So we make all different types of movements. Sit our hands down.
Oh.
Michael.
That's thinking in the God can't wipe Michael.
Throw the paper away.
The front part.
And what part of the
The back cover.
Good job. And what part of the book is this? Look what happened on the title page. Something changed. The what?
Rabbit.
What do we call this? The what?
Author.
No. We call it.
Title.
We call the title.
The illustrator.
The illustration changed, not the illustrator. The illustrator is the person who takes the pictures, but the illustration is the picture. The picture changed. You see that? Move your clip, darling.
Hey, where you go?
Now it's a penguin. Now, do you think? Did you change your mind? Now, movement is something that we all do. Animals move. People move. Anything that's living moves, right? That's how we know they are what? Living. Isn't that one of the signs of something that's living? Do non-living things move? They can't move without our help. Is this book living or non-living? Non-living. Non-living because it doesn't breathe, it doesn't eat, it doesn't move unless I move it. If I don't move it, it's going to stay absolutely still. You bet. It's a rhyme. All set? All set? All set? All right. A blue whale dives deep, deep, deep.
In the water.
And swims below the ocean waves. Say swim. Let me see you swim like this. That's how fish swim. People swim like this.
I swim like this.
But fish swim like. You have to show the baby to be a helper. That's what I'm waiting for you to do. I'm waiting for you to show me something. Okay, all set?